You can't stop Shoshi Kusama. He continues talking to us day after day. However, an absolutely bizarre event occurred today. Nobody saw it coming. However, Shoshi Kusama has now spoken up on a crucial matter. For quite some time, this was the subject of community inquiries. We have now received the response. This is a very risky endeavor, yet it might lead to the fulfillment of our aspirations. This, however, just scratches the surface. Most notably, Shiba Inu will reap the rewards as Blackrock sets new historical records. But what is really going on? Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. With an impressive increase in on-chain activity, Shiba Inu has unquestionably had a strong start to the fourth quarter. The increasing demand for Shiba Inu tokens was shown by the 6 trillion tokens that were exchanged between big wallets in the last 24 hours. Significant investors and institutional purchasers are showing a growing interest in Shiba Inu, as seen by the high amount of transactions, particularly those involving significant wallet transfers. The Shiba Inu ecosystem may be preparing for major market shifts, since this volume broke an October record. This increase, however, begs the issue. Are we seeing hopeful whales amassing Shiba Inu? Is the recent flurry of trade really a planned sell-off, though? If you look at the price chart for Shiba Inu right now, you'll see that it's bouncing around some intriguing resistance and support levels. We might see thrilling gains if it breaks above resistance, but if there isn't any new buying activity, the coin can test its lower support. The previous 24 hours have seen an astounding 225 big transactions, according to today's on-chain statistics. The ecosystem's vigor is confirmed by this significant activity, but the final price effect won't be known until we determine whether they are bullish purchases or bearish sales. Considering all of this, it's reasonable to assume that it affected Shiba Inus, some erratic variations confronting what many are describing as a significant sell wall directly associated with the high volume of transactions. Shiba Inu, like other altcoins, is now at a pivotal juncture. There haven't been any major price fluctuations in Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours, but the meme currency still has a chance to remain stable in the near to medium term. It remains a reason for worry, however. Would this sell wall be the last hurdle for Shiba Inu's progress? Nope, not quite there yet. Altcoins like Shiba Inu may gain ground as the market becomes more tranquil, thanks to Bitcoin's impending stability. We all know that the crypto market tends to follow Bitcoin's lead. Intriguing historical tendencies are the basis for market expert Ali Martinez's optimistic Bitcoin breakout forecasts, which are already generating enthusiasm. Martinez notes that the price of Bitcoin tends to skyrocket just after U.S. presidential elections. Bitcoin has recovered well from its recent decline, increasing its value by 20%. The market is strongly signaled by this resiliency. There will be no retreat from crypto assets. Several things point to this newfound power. How is this relevant to Shiba Inu at this point? Shiba Inu's sell wall may become less of a factor if Bitcoin has a price boom, which might lead to more interest in the token and, in turn, the buying power necessary to overcome the resistance levels. Even while the sell wall is something to keep an eye on, Shiba Inu isn't going to be stopped by it, particularly since Bitcoin is expected to rise, which will create good momentum. Additionally, record-breaking investments into Blackrock's eShares Bitcoin Trust ETF are causing a stir in the cryptocurrency market. One of the largest single-day investments ever recorded was $875 million, which this fund received very recently. Investing isn't the only thing BlackRock does. They're always breaking records. This fund shattered JP Morgan's record for quickest growth, amassing almost $30 billion in assets in only 290 days. Shiba Inu might benefit from this institutional backing, which could boost its appeal as consumer trust grows. Shiba Inu is well positioned to take advantage of the influx of fresh funds that will be driven by the continued interest in cryptocurrency by BlackRock and other large-scale investors. Then what's the next step? Everyone is so excited about these new advancements that they are speculating on the finest possible outcomes for Shiba Inu. Once again, rumors of a $100 billion value have circulated. Reaching this mark may set off a price boom, bringing us one step closer to our goal of eliminating more zeros. This enthusiasm might be good for Shiba Inu because of the attention from institutions and the support from the community. Continuing the storyline, and while certain predictions may seem unrealistic, the likelihood of Shiba Inu becoming a new powerhouse in the cryptocurrency industry appears more real than ever. However, there is more. Important news about the Treat token has finally broken after a long period of quiet. Just a few hours ago, Shoshi Kusama said that Treat is still being developed and would soon have a revolutionary impact on the Shiba Inu ecology. The discussion started when Moonrock Capital CEO Simon Dedek made a comment on how meme currencies are changing into tokens driven by usefulness. Kusama concurred, pointing out that Treat and similar tokens would hasten this change by combining their meme appeal with practical use. Nevertheless, Kusama warned that all Treat tokens in circulation are counterfeit. He warns investors to exercise caution as the official Treat token is still in the pre-launch phase. Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu, reiterated this caution. X has a Treats for Shiba community, where people can get up-to-date information so they can stay away from imitators. After keeping this project under wraps for a while, Shoshi Kusama has dropped a massive bombshell. Now that we have some new information, the question is as follows. When Treat finally hits the market, what exactly will it bring? For what reason should we all be ecstatic? The primary function of this coin is to provide significant value to Shiba Inu holders by compensating them for staking on SHIBASWAP. In addition to serving as a governance token in the Shiba Inu DAO, Treat will be the official gas token for the planned Layer 3 privacy blockchain by Shiba Inu, and will give the community full control over the ecosystem's development. Plus, Shiba Inu are quite likely to have a spectacular debut into the metaverse. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's official X account responded to Nero's tweet that hinted to metaverse possibilities not long ago. The Nero team just posted a photo of their Shiba Inu mascot wearing a VR headset, which has the crypto world abuzz with conjecture. According to the Shiba Inu group, who enthusiastically embraced the idea of the metaverse, the breed is prepared to rule the virtual world. Holding Shiba Inu tokens will provide access to a community-driven, interactive realm called Shiba the Metaverse, where users may purchase virtual land, win in-game incentives, and generate passive income. Lucy recently characterized Shiba the Metaverse as the pinnacle of Shiba Inu HQs, built to encourage community voting, cooperation, and creativity. This cautious optimism is bolstered by the fact that Shiba Inu's distinct qualities may serve it well during times of more market uncertainty. In certain cases, for example, its price fluctuations deviate from Bitcoin's. Of course, this isn't always a positive thing, but it may benefit Shiba Inu when the community gets behind interesting upgrades. One such example is Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling method developed by Shiba Inu. Constant improvements have increased its utility, especially in relation to NFTs, and elevated Shiba Inu's attractiveness beyond the usual market fads. The token's long-term stability, usability, and community interest might all benefit from increased adoption via efforts like Shibarium. With each passing day, the Shiba Inu ecosystem becomes more and more fascinating, and the thought of a spectacular entry into the metaverse only heightens the enthusiasm of its dedicated followers. Unfortunately, naysayers will inevitably attempt to sabotage the good news. Then the dramatic part begins. In response to a tweet that cast doubt on his claim that the value of Shiba Inu will eventually surpass that of Bitcoin, Shoshi Kusama offered an explanation. He was addressing Nick Tomino, a Shiba Inu fanatic, who had dismissed the breed as insignificant. While expressing his annoyance, Kusama made note of the remarkable 30 million % rise in the Shiba Inu population from its record low in September 2020. Using concrete proof of the Shiba Inu's unfaltering capacity to utterly thrash Tomino's rude responses. Without a doubt, Shoshi Kusama demonstrated to him who's boss, and the boss who will ultimately succeed is Shiba Inu. With today's Blackrock news and Shoshi Kusama's unexpected comments making the rounds online, Moonvember is shaping up to be an exciting start. So, what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave a comment and tell us what you think. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.